Hello guys, how to fix if keyboard key not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10? Sometimes function key and Windows key not function well. And so to fix this issue, you should go to changes in your settings. Some of the changes in your settings. Go to Windows search, type control panel, open control panel, choose ease of access center. Here scroll down and you will find the option. Scroll down and you will find the option make keyboard easier to use. Click on it. Here turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys, turn on filter keys. All three settings should unchecked. Finally click on apply and then OK button. If this method does not fix your issue, you should also go through this method. Go to Windows search, time game mode, open game mode settings, and you should also turn off game mode if it is on in your system. Turn the toggle button off against game mode settings. If this method also does not work, go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt windows as administrator mode, type the command sfc slash scan now. Sometimes corrupted file system files in your system will also hamper your Windows key as well as function keys as well as keyboard key. So repair them through sfc scan now.